How are you? I hope you are well. And this time we are going to discuss retreating monsoon. What is the meaning of retreating monsoon? Retreating monsoon, in the last lecture, you have learned Indian monsoon, southwest monsoon. Two branch, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon. In the distribution of monsoon, we are going to discuss this part, why it is heavy rainfall in Cherrapunji, the world highest rainfall zone in Cherrapunji. Okay? In this video, only we are going to discuss is season of retreating monsoon. Retreating means goodbye southwest monsoon. Okay? In the layman language you can say. So, what is the condition and what is the month of retreating monsoon in India? Is the question. The answer is October to November is the season, is the month of retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon of which monsoon? Southwest monsoon. And the retreating monsoon, this month is also a transition period. Transition period for what? Southwest monsoon, goodbye southwest monsoon, and welcome northeast monsoon. Okay? So, what is the weather condition of retreating monsoon? In the month of October, you feel that the day, sky is very clear and the day is very hot in comparison to night. In the night, we have to what? Take a thin chadar. Okay? And so it is in comparison to day, night is what? Cooler. The valediction or retreating of monsoon in Rajasthan, it is the month of beginning of September. In entire India, it is the different day. There is a different day of goodbye of retreating monsoon. So in Rajasthan, it is beginning of the September. In the Punjab and Haryana part, this part, mid of the September, and the first week of October in the North India. Okay? And the Central India, we have what? Mid of the October. And Southern India, south part of the India, we have November, early November. Okay? So, like that, the monsoon withdrawn, southwest monsoon withdrawn in our India. Okay? So, this is the question, why retreating monsoon not falls or rainfall occurs by retreating monsoon in the entire part of India barring Tamil Nadu coast. Okay? Because of retreating monsoon have less energy and less moisture in the month of October and November. It is the condition in the month of September, 23rd of the September, when sun rays falls vertical on equator. After that, sun position, vertical position, going to southern hemisphere, due to which in the northern hemisphere moisture containing winds and the ITCZ shifted towards southern hemisphere. So there is no moisture, no energy in the southwest monsoon. That's why it snows falls all around the India, barring Tamil Nadu coast. Okay? Why October heat? It is a terminology coined by the climatologist. What is October heat? It is the condition of oppressive and sultry weather. That means hot temperature and high temperature and high humid condition is called oppressive and sultry what? Weather condition. So we feel in the month of October and November like that. Okay. So I think October it is clear. Now why Tamil Nadu coast receives winter rainfall? Sorry, northeast monsoon rainfall. If in the map section it will be asked to show northeast monsoon, you have to drawn like that. Okay. So northwest monsoon, this is Bay of Bengal. In entire India, this is that particular parts having less moisture containing winds, moisture laden winds. But when this retreating winds, southwest monsoon, when crosses over or traversing over the Bay of Bengal, the moisture containing winds intensify these winds, and due to this the coast of Tamil Nadu receives winter rainfall. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much. In the next video we are going to discuss characteristics of monsoon and the distribution of monsoon in India. It is very important to know distribution of monsoon in India, because in India, monsoon is unevenly distributed. So, you have to know it. Thank you so much.